Hello, welcome to Montana Rocks, a series dedicated to highlighting examples of geology and mineral resources from around the Treasure State. My name is Garrett Smith, and I'm a geochemist with the Montana DEQ Hard Rock Mining Section. In this episode, we'll be talking about these samples of limestone, which were collected at two different mines in Montana. Limestone is a common type of sedimentary rock, which is composed primarily of calcite and aragonite, which are different crystal forms of calcium carbonate. Carbonate minerals can precipitate out of water containing dissolved calcium through non-biological processes, but the accumulation of corals, shells, and other marine life have been major sources of limestone within the past 500 million years. Some types of limestone contain visible fossils, like this sample from southern Carbon County. In contrast, these fine-grained examples are derived from calcite-rich sediment in shallow marine settings. There are many places in Montana where you might find limestone, and one of the most widespread and important occurrences is called the Madison Group. This group of formations dates to the Mississippian period, about 323 to 359 million years ago, when shallow tropical seas covered much of North America for millions of years. These thick limestone layers can be important sources of groundwater for communities and agriculture. Exposures of limestone can form dramatic cliffs, like at Gates of the Mountains, the Bob Marshall Wilderness, and the Pryor Mountains. With a high solubility, limestone may also dissolve along fractures and eventually form sinkholes or caves. And those carbonate minerals can reprecipitate to form complex structures like at the Lewis and Clark Caverns State Park. As a mineral commodity, limestone is often mixed with other ingredients to create cement, and it can be heated and converted into calcium oxide, also known as lime or quicklime. Lime has a wide range of industrial uses, and in Montana, it's often used for treating water and gas emissions from mining and energy industries. It's also a very important part of removing the impurities during the processing of sugar beets. Well, that's all for today. Tune in again for next month's Featured Rock.